Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I just purchased from Walmart, Ulta, and where else did I go? Sephora. So first, we have the Morphe James Charles, well, Morphe and James Charles palette. You guys, now first of all, this palette cost me $40-some, I think. But let's open it up. I'm knocking stuff over. Make sure his stuff was wrapped. Ugh. Guys, look at this. Y'all, look at these colors. Oh my gosh. It's about to go down. For real. I also got another NARS foundation. You guys, this is the Light Marron Glace. I'm going to just say glace. Glace. Glace or glace, one of those. But I went ahead and just went with a brighter concealer because I've noticed when I watch a lot of different people's like makeup tutorials, they usually have their concealer like quite a few shades lighter than their actual skin color. So I was going with this, which is the caramel. But then I noticed, I'm like, well, the caramel is basically almost the same, like really close to my foundation. And I want you to really be able to like notice it. So I went with this. So we're definitely going to see like how much of a difference this is. I also got the Powder Puff. Okay, this is Group Love. And then I also have the Cool Intentions. And it's kind of like a light purple. So, ooh, look at this, y'all. So I can't wait to put this stuff on, y'all. I went ahead and stepped in my game. Got me an M321 Morphe eyeshadow brush. And I've seen somebody use this. And they said it really helps to pack like the color on your eyes. Actually, it was Tailor Made Jane. You should check out her YouTube channel. She does a really good job with makeup. So that's been one of the people I've been watching. And also Red Fairy. I've been watching her YouTube channel as well. From Walmart, I went ahead and just got some eyelash crampers or curlers, some lash curlers. Elf, just like a regular eyebrow pencil so I can start coloring my eyebrows in and not having to use a brush. And then I also went ahead and got a eyeliner. Well, this is an eyeliner brush, but I'm not going to use it for eyeliner. I'm going to use this for my brows. So whenever I put my concealer on, and we'll see how well that works as well. What else did I get? Oh, and last but not least, Sephora. I got the Too Faced Natural Face, and this has highlight, blush, bronzer. I was like, let me just go ahead and get something that has the blush, the bronzer, all that together because makeup is really expensive, y'all, and the bronzer by itself for like a lot of brands was like $30, and then I already knew the blush was about to be like another $30. So I was like, let me just go ahead and spend $40 and just get this. And I think it's a guy, but this stuff is so nice. Like, they really do a good job on like making their stuff just look really, really pretty. But look, ooh. And it smells really good. Like, it smells really good. So I can't wait to try all these things out. And then I also went and got, as you guys know, I love glitter. So this is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal. This is Silk Bomber and Bubblegum. And it comes on 2 different sides. And of course, I will be putting all of this stuff in my description down below. So be sure to check that out if there's something that you guys see that you really like. And look how pretty this is. Oh, it's so cute. But yeah, if there's anything like I actually do go and put my stuff in. I know I like watch a lot of people's channels and they don't include anything into the description, which is so annoying because it's like, well, damn, what if you want to order that? So I will be putting this stuff in my description. And then I went ahead and just got a roller lash, some mascara, and this is by Benefit. So this will be my first time ever using their stuff, but this is what it looks like. So I definitely went on a little shopping spree because I will not be buying anything else for a while. I cannot be spending all my monies. So I am super excited to use this stuff, and here we go.